Want free bonuses? Refer a friend on DraftKings and both of you win. You both earn rewards, odds boosts, and deposit match bonuses. Open the DraftKings app and tap your profile to find Refer a Friend. Tap Invite Friends. Choose text, email, or share link. Friend signs up, verifies account, and meets the qualifying deposit or bet. Once requirements are met, bonuses drop into both accounts automatically. Step 1. Copy your unique link from the invite screen. Step 2. Send it, message, social, or QR code in person. Step 3. Friend signs up using your link and completes the qualifying action. Track referral status in the app. Bonuses usually appear within 72 hours. Quick tips. Use bold green CTAs, short mobile text, and remind them to verify ID. Ready to earn? Tap Refer, share your link, and collect your DraftKings rewards now.